Okay, next, we want to go over some problems related to law of exponent. Okay, so the first question we got is 2 raised to the 3 power times 2 raised to the 4 power, and I need to evaluate this expression. So which law can I use for question number 1? So question number 1 said we have a base 2, and these two power have the same base. So which law can I use for this one? So which law is a multiplication and the same base? So only law number 1, right, states that we have the same base, two different power. So we can use law number 1 to do this one. So how could we do that? I just need to keep the same base. So I just need to keep the 2 and just add the exponent, right? So I need to add the exponent 3 and 4 together. So what is 3 plus 4? So 3 plus 4, I know is 7, right? So I know that this one equals to 2 raised to the 7th power. Yeah. And for question number 2, right, we have the same base and it's a division. So which law states that we have same base, but it's division? So law number 2, right? Because we have same base and it's about division. So we are going to subtract the exponent. So we got 5 and we need to subtract. So always go from the numerator exponent first. So because it's starting from m, right? So 7 minus 3. And this one equals to 5 raised to the 4th power. Yeah. Okay, so let's take a look on question number 3. So question number 3 said I have bracket 2 times 5 and raised to the 2. So what does that equal? So which law can I use for this one? So can I use law number 3? So the law number 3 said we have only one base, right? But in question number 3, we have two different base. So which one have two different base multiplied together? Yep, so which is law number 4. That's right. Law number 4 states that if we have two different base multiplied together and raised to the power is equals to A raised to the exponent, B raised to the same exponent, right? So I actually distribute the exponent 2 to the 2 and also exponent 2 to the 5, right? So that's why we got 2 raised to the 2 times 5 raised to the 2. So I know that 2 raised to the 2 equals to 4, and 5 raised to the 2 is 25. So what is 25 times 4? So 25 times 4 give us 100, right? So that's why question number 3 is 100. So question number 4 said we have 5 times 4 raised to the 3 times 4 raised to the 2. So which law can I use for this one? So I'll give you a hint. So first of all, let's do this one first. So let's solve this part. 4 raised to the 3 times 4 raised to the 2. So which law can I use for number 4? Yeah, actually question number 1, right? So law number 1, we can use law number 1 to solve 4 raised to the 3 times 4 raised to the 2. So 4 raised to the 3 times 4 raised to the 2, we have same base multiplication, which means that I need to add the exponent. So this part, I know that is equals to 4, right? Raised to the 3 plus 2, so it is 5, right? And don't forget, we also need to times the 5 here. So we have 5 times 4 raised to the 5. So this is your final answer.